Hello, my name is Crystal. I'm an expert as a service consultant, and in this video, I will talk about the Enable Export in the Background option for the optimized story experience. This is part of the QRC1 update of SAC for 2024. The Enable Export option was added in the optimized story experience. That way, users can use the dashboard, and at the same time, the system is generating the export of the story in the background. I added these two images to show you how this option was grayed out before, and also there was a message that said that it was not available. And then here, um, right now, if you try to export the storage, you will see that this option is available. You just have to click the checkbox. I created this story. Remember that it has to be an optimized story experience. And now I will go to File and then Export. I will go down, and as you can see, you can select Enable Export in the background. Let's do a quick review. I show you that now the Enable Export in the Background option is available in the optimized experience. Thank you very much for watching this video.